is Mauricio Cuellar with the Nueces County Record-Star here at the intersection of County Road 52 and 69. It was to be the site of a groundbreaking ceremony this morning, but due to increased rainfall throughout the night, as you can see, the roadways are flooded and vehicles are stuck by the sides of the roads. There's some construction vehicles. And as you can see by the marker near the roadway, the road is closed and impassable here at the intersection of County Road 52 and 69. This is Mauricio Cuellar with the Nueces County Record-Star. For more news, please check out www.recordstar.com.